friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you most effective home remedy for hair growth. So friends, for this remedy you need only 3 ingredients: coconut oil, aloe vera gel and olive oil. Friends, you know coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. It helps to make your hair grow longer, thicker and healthier. Olive oil also helps to grow your hair. It helps to get long hair. Aloe vera. Friends, you know aloe vera is good moisturizer, so it helps to grow your hair due to its moisturizing properties and nourishing vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin C, folic acid. Aloe vera has gained popularity as treatment for dry hair and skin. So friends, let's see how to make this hair mask. For this mask you need aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now blend all the ingredients well. After that, apply this mask on your hair. So friends, now I am going to apply this mask on my hair. After 2 hours, wash it off with normal water. After one wash, you can feel the difference. Friends, do this once a week. After 30 days, you can see the result. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.